Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Few cars have earned the kind of legendary status the 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback holds. It's more than just a muscle car, it's a cultural icon. Today, we're diving into what made this beauty so unforgettable, from its iconic design to its raw V8 power under the hood. Buckle up, this is going to be a fun ride. Exterior. The 1968 Mustang Fastback is a head-turner, even decades later. With its sleek long hood, aggressive front grille, and signature fastback roofline that slopes into a short rear deck, this car screams performance even at a standstill. The 68 model received some key updates over the previous year: a cleaner, more aggressive front end with a concave grille, revised side scoops, and larger tail lights. The chrome trim was slightly more refined, and for added safety, Ford included side marker lights, a new requirement in 68. If you opted for the GT package, you got fog lights integrated into the grille, dual exhausts, and performance tires, all adding to the Fastback's road presence. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by a no-nonsense, driver-focused cabin. The 68 Fastback kept it simple but sporty: bucket seats, a 3-spoke steering wheel, and the famous twin-pod dash cluster. Behind the wheel, you'll find a set of easy-to-read gauges: speedometer, fuel, oil pressure, and temperature, all analog, of course. The deluxe interior trim added wood grain accents on the dash and door panels, giving it a touch of class. One of the coolest features: the fold-down rear seat. It gave the Fastback a practical edge, allowing extra cargo space for road trips or gear hauling. Performance. Now, let's talk about the heart of the beast. The 1968 Mustang Fastback came with a range of engine options, from a humble inline-6 to several fire-breathing version 8s. The most popular was the 289 cubic inch, or 4.7-liter, V8, offering around 225 horsepower. But if you really wanted to fly, the 390 cubic inch big block V8 cranked out a massive 325 horsepower, enough to throw you back in your seat. Matched with either a 4-speed manual or 3-speed automatic transmission, this car delivered raw, mechanical joy. And with available options like power steering and front disc brakes, it had enough comfort and control to keep things civilized. And of course, we can't forget the GT 390 Fastback driven by Steve McQueen in Bullitt, arguably the most famous Mustang in cinema history. That car solidified the Fastback's place in American legend. The 1968 Mustang Fastback isn't just a classic car, it's a symbol of power, freedom, and timeless style. Whether you're a collector, a muscle car fan, or just someone who appreciates automotive history, the 68 Fastback delivers on all fronts. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 68 Mustang, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what's your dream classic car? Until next time, keep those engines running. Subscribe for more classic car reviews. New videos every week.